Good morning, students. In this session, let us study the poem Father Returning Home, written by the Indian poet Dilip Chitre. Let us learn something about the poet Dilip Chitre. He hails from Maharashtra. Dilip Chitre was born in the year 1938 and he died in the year 2009. He was a teacher, painter, filmmaker, magazine columnist, and he wrote in Marathi and in English. He was a bilingual writer who wrote both in Marathi and English. ದಿಲೀಪ್ ಚಿತ್ರೆ ಮಹಾರಾಷ್ಟ್ರದ ಒಬ್ಬ ರೈಟರು who writes in Marathi and in English also. He was a teacher. He worked as a teacher in many countries, not only in India. He was a painter, filmmaker, and he wrote columns in many magazines. In this particular poem, the poet gives a portrait of a commuter and his dull life. Portrait is a picture, details of a commuter. Commuter is one who travels from one place to another and gets back sometimes. And is a dull life, monotonous life. ಒಬ್ಬ ಪ್ರಯಾಣಿಕನ ಜೀವನವನ್ನು ಚಿತ್ರಣವನ್ನು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಡ್ತಾನೆ. ಅವನ ಜೀವನ ಚಿತ್ರಣ ಭಾಳ ಡಲ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಲೈಲಿನೆಸ್ ಅಂತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದು ಇಲ್ಲವೇ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ ಎನ್ ಅರ್ಬನ್ ಲೈಫ್. ಇನ್ ದ ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಡೇ ವರ್ಲ್ಡ್, ಎ ಮ್ಯಾನ್ ಹೂ ಲಿವ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ ಎ ಸಿಟಿ ಲೈಕ್ ಮುಂಬೈ, he faces so many difficulties and he commits to his workplace and gets back every day. So such a picture is given in this poem. ಈ ಪೈಮಲ್ಲಿ ಪಯೆಟ್ಟು ಆ ರೀತಿಯ ಒಂದು ಚಿತ್ರಣವನ್ನು ಕೊಡೋಕ್ಕೆ ಪ್ರಯತ್ನ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ನಗರ ಜೀವನದ ಪರಿಸ್ಥಿತಿ ಆಗಿದೆ, ಜನರ ಲೈಫ್ ಇನ್ ಸಿಟಿ ಈಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಆ್ಯಸ್ ಹ್ಯಾಪಿ ಆಸ್ ಇಟ್ ವಾಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟೆಡ್. Contrary to the life in villages or countryside, the life in the city is monotonous, dull and boring. That is very well pictured in this poem. That is the portrait that he gives in this poem. The son is the narrator of this poem. He narrates the life of his father and the travel that he makes to his workplace and gets back is given by the son or narrated by the son in this poem. So the speaker or the son of a father narrates his father's return home and what he does after returning home. ತಂದೆ ಮನೆಗೆ ಬರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಚಿತ್ರಣ ಮತ್ತು ಮನೆಗೆ ಬಂದ ನಂತರ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೆ ಅನ್ನೋ ಚಿತ್ರಣವನ್ನು ಈ ಪೈಮಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಡ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾನೆ. The father is an old man. He works very hard for the family but leads a monotonous life. It is very saddening to say that his father, even though he works for the family, works very hard from morning till evening to earn the bread for the family, leads a monotonous life. ಕುಟುಂಬಕ್ಕಾಗಿ ಹಣ ಸಂಪಾದನೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ವೃತ್ತಿ ಮಾಡ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ವ್ಯಕ್ತಿ, he works very hard but leads a very monotonous life. He doesn't get what he actually wanted to get at home. He is neglected in his own home or in his own family. ಅವನನ್ನು ತನ್ನ ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲೇ ಅವನನ್ನು ನೆಗ್ಲೆಕ್ಟಿಂದ, ತಿರಸ್ಕಾರದಿಂದ ನೋಡ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಒಂದು ಚಿತ್ರಣ ಇದೆ. The old man who earns the bread of the family is neglected by his own children or family members at his home. That is the real picture that we get in this poem. There is no one to care for him at all, or converse with him at all, or understand his feelings. There is no sentimentality in the family or in the home. He looks like a modern nomad. The commuter or the father who works very hard, he is just like a modern nomad. Nomad is a people or who travel from one place to another or move from one place to another in search of a job or settlement. They do not settle at one particular place. ಒಂದು ನಿರ್ದಿಷ್ಟ ನೆಲೆ ನಿಲ್ಲದೆ ಇರತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಜನರನ್ನು ವಿ ಕಾಲ್ ದೆಮ್ ಆಸ್ ನಾಮ್ಯಾಡ್ಸ್. ದೇ ಕೀಪ್ ಮೂವಿಂಗ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಒನ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಟು ಅನದರ್. ಅಲೆಮಾರಿಗಳು, ಅವರು ಒಂದು ಕಡೆ ನಿಲ್ಲಲ್ಲ. ಅವನ ಜೀವನ ಒಂದು ರೀತಿಯ ಅಲೆಮಾರಿ ಜೀವನ ಥರ ಆಗಿದೆ. ವರ್ಕ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ಗೆ ಹೋಗೋದು ಮತ್ತು ಅಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಸಂಜೆ ಮನೆಗೆ ವಾಪಸ್ ಬರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದು. ಸೊ ಈಸ್ ಲೈಫ್ ಈಸ್ alienated, separated from his own family. He doesn't feel that he is one among the family members in his own family. That is the tragedy of his life. Man's estrangement from the man-made world. It is the man who created society or family for his own benefits, for his own comfort, but he could not get all these things in the family. That is why the poet I has given a very interesting title to this poem, Father Returning Home. Father returning home. Here, father returns home from his workplace. ತಂದೆ ಮನೆಗೆ ತನ್ನ ಕೆಲಸದ ಸ್ಥಳದಿಂದ ಮನೆಗೆ ಬರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಒಂದು ಚಿತ್ರಣವನ್ನು, ಎ ಪಿಕ್ಚರ್ ಆಫ್ ಹಿಸ್ ಓನ್ ಫಾದರ್ ಹೂ ರಿಟರ್ನ್ಸ್ ಹೋಮ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ದಿ ವರ್ಕ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್. It is very ironical that the poet has used the term father returning home